gentlemen of the press. During our last briefing 2 weeks ago, we assured Lagosians that we would brief them on the achievements and the workings of the command every 2 weeks, and we have kept to our words. We are doing that today, and we want to reel out some of our achievements in the past 2 weeks in the area of crime fighting within Lagos State. From the cases we are presenting today, we have a total of 26 suspects who have engaged in various crimes, including murder, defilement, armed robbery, illegal possession of firearms, illicit drugs, and so on. They have all been apprehended, and we also have a total of 4 firearms recovered, 21 live ammunition, 6 vehicles, and some other arms. So permit me to read just a few of these cases. Number one, we have a case of conspiracy and armed robbery. This case has to do with a man who lodged a complaint at Okota Division that his girlfriend conspired with some people to rob him. And he was actually robbed of 3 iPhones and his Bitcoin worth 15 million naira. The case was transferred to the headquarters here, and investigation started. At the end of the day, the girlfriend was arrested, Emanuela Ogochukwu, 25 years, and we also arrested his younger brother who participated in that robbery. So further investigation led to the recovery of the 3 iPhones and 6.5 million naira out of the robbed amount. Further investigation led us to the arrest of 4 other suspects who participated in the robbery. They are Babatunde Ibrahim, age 23, Michael Odova, age 24, Seidu Abba, age 20, and John Wisdom. All were arrested in John Wisdom's apartment in Okota. Also found with them in the apartment was a locally made pistol and 4 live cartridges. Also, we have an interesting case of some robbers, arrest of some robbers and fraudsters. The State Criminal Investigation Department got wind of the activities of of a syndicate of fraudsters who specialize in robbing people of their foreign currency, jewelry, phones, ATM cards, and international passports. The CID therefore deployed some of its operatives, which led to the arrest of some of these criminals in Iju, Ishaga area of Lagos State. The suspects arrested include Idowu Ajewole, Waheed Opeyemi, Samuel Bamidele, Ajoke Oluwaseun, and Laide Ogunseun. Also, we have Adetipe Olubunmi. Recovered from them were 2 Camry cars, which are their operational vehicles, and some fake dollar notes, which they also use in propagating their scam. We also have a sad case of murder or suspected murder, where a couple engaged in domestic violence, which led the husband to stabbing his wife. And the police were called, the police rushed over. This happened in Morogbo area of Lagos State. And our officers raced there and arrested the husband, Peter Dike. He was also found with a murder weapon, a kitchen knife, and the wife was found in a pool of her blood. She was quickly rushed to the hospital, but sadly was confirmed dead by a doctor. The suspect has been arrested, and the case has been transferred to the State Criminal Investigation Department, Bantiyaba, for further investigation. We also have another case of recovery of arms and ammunition. This happened in the Ikorodu area of Lagos State. Our officers on patrol at about 6 p.m. on 21st of March along Imota in Ikorodu. The hoodlums, immediately they saw a police patrol van approaching them, they took to their heels and abandoned a sack. When our officers got to this sack and searched it, we found one rifle, a military-grade rifle, known as a LA rifle, with 12 rounds of live ammunition, and an SMG rifle. An SMG rifle without magazine was also recovered. These guns have been recovered, and efforts are on to arrest the the suspects who abandoned this rifle. So it gladdens our hearts at the Lagos State Police Command that we've been able to recover these weapons and they are out of circulation. Also, we have a case of conspiracy, fraud, and stealing. This actually happened in a commercial bank in the country. It so happened that some staff of the bank diverted money from the domiciliary accounts of some international airlines domiciled in their bank. They moved a total of £138,924, which is over 270 million naira. They moved it from different accounts belonging to international airlines and moved it into the accounts of another staff of the bank, from where the money was now moved into different accounts. The moment the bank got wind of this, they alerted the police and we commenced investigation. And this has led to the arrest of Shuaibu Oluwatobiloba Olaleye, age 27, in Ogun area of Lagos State with a Toyota Camry car, which is a proceed of the crime. Further investigation led us to the arrest of Oladunjo Yadegoke, age 33, who was arrested in Victoria Island, also on March 13, 2025, also with another Toyota Camry car, which is also a proceed of the crime. But the investigation did not stop there. We continued working hard, and that led us to arresting two staff of the bank right in the bank. One is Austin Alfred, age 38, from the Trade Services Department, while the other is Jude Uzobuaku, age 36, also from the Trade Services Department. This amounts to a total of 4 suspects already arrested in this case, and investigation is ongoing. We still have a few wanted suspects. Once we round off investigation, they will be prosecuted accordingly. We have a case here of suspected armed robbery. On March 14, 2025, at about 4 a.m., operatives on routine patrol around Shangotedo area of Lagos State, Lekki Expressway, observed the suspicious movements of 2 young men and stopped them for a search. Upon searching them, an automatic pistol and 5 rounds of live ammunition were found in their possession. They have been transferred to the state headquarters for further investigation. I'll be talking about one more case here: criminal conspiracy, armed robbery, and car snatching. And we got wind of a syndicate that specialized in robbing cars in the eastern part of the country and bringing them down to Lagos to sell. So immediately we got wind of this, we commenced the investigation, and this led to the arrest of the receiver here in Lagos, who receives the vehicles and in turn sells them. Is Ojodolapo, 22 years old. He has so far received 3 Lexus 330 and 1 Lexus 350. Our investigation led us to his arrest in the Kotun area of Lagos State. He has led a team of operatives to the recovery of 1 Lexus 350 silver in color, and further investigation led to the recovery of another Lexus 330 black in color in Ojodu area of Lagos State. The suspect is currently assisting us to recover other vehicles and arrest other suspects in this crime. All the suspects will be arraigned at the conclusion of investigation. We would like to use this medium to assure all residents and visitors to Lagos State that under CP Olorunda regime, the low level of crime experienced in Lagos State will be sustained. We would once again like to appreciate the good people of Lagos State for their unwavering support to the Lagos State Police Command and the state government for the continual provision of logistics and operational support.